Look at my Newsboy Cap and maybe you will have desire to make such hat. In this video you not find tutorial how to sew Newsboy Cap and pattern. In this video, you will see how a ready-made cap looks like only. It is not easy to sew such a cap, especially if you have no experience. And it's especially difficult to sew this model, the Newsboy Cap, from the fabric having checkered fabric pattern. Therefore, I recommend the beginners to choose plain fabrics without any pattern. And the second tip, choose fabrics dense so that they keep the cap shape well. Women's Newsboy hat can be worn in different ways. For example, when the visor of the cap is open and the cap is shifted towards the back. All parts of the cap should be made perfectly, including the cap lining. If you liked my cap, please mark the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like to sew, here you will learn a lot of useful things.